Well, hi again, everybody. Welcome back to On the Town with Suze and Doug. She is Suze doing her famous wave, and I am Doug, and we are back again for another one of our restaurant reviews here in Sarasota. And Suze, we went to a place tonight we've been talking about going to for a long time, but we finally got there.
Yes, we went to the Cheesecake Factory here at the University Mall in Sarasota, Florida.
Yeah, we've been talking about coming a long time. We've been to this mall, probably 100 times since we've lived down here. You used to work here.
Yes, I did.
And we always said we wanted to try it. We finally did tonight. It's a Monday night as we talked to you in July, mid-July, and we'll talk about our meal and the service and the ambiance and all that. But Suze, what are your initial thoughts?
I really thought initially when I walked in, very pretty. The atmosphere there, very high ceilings. The acoustics are good, because you can hear the person you're with. You know, if you're having a light conversation, having some fun, you definitely can hear who you're with. So that's a nice. It is a large restaurant, so it has
very
a very
large, yeah.
Oh my goodness, it's
they have a huge indoor section, and which I didn't realize they have an outdoor. Or covered, but an outdoor dining section.
Absolutely, it looked very, very nice. They had a little fountain in there, and very nice. It's covered. So with the warmer weather, very nice. It's got a covering, and it looks quite inviting. Yeah.
And a huge menu. It took us a while to read through it. I read a little bit online just to kind of see what they had before we got here, but it is a book. The waiter says, and here's the menu book.
Yes, it was like, wow. So you definitely have quite a few pages to go through, and I love the selection is very nice. Very
almost too much. I know you and I were talking about it. A lot of restaurants do that nowadays. There's so many things on the menu. Nothing wrong with that, but in a sense, it almost makes you not quite sure what you want. There's too many choices in a way. You know, this is that type of restaurant. Anything you want: chicken, pasta, steak, sandwiches.
Absolutely.
Whole 2 pages of appetizers, which can make a meal itself.
Absolutely. I have heard the appetizers there are quite large. The portions are very, very nice, nicely sized. And I had the shepherd's pie, which was very good, but I could not finish.
We both tried that tonight. I had not had one of the shepherd's pie since we went to a previous restaurant called 2J's, which is no longer here down in Sarasota.
Absolutely, yes.
But I wanted to have that, and like you said, a huge portion, really too much.
Yeah, it was definitely, I mean, I could have easily split my dinner with Doug.
Yeah, we could have shared
it was
one and had
very
plenty.
good, very, very good, but large portion. Yeah, you'll definitely, if you like some take-home helpings, or for your little furry friend, or
for yourself.
Yes.
But kind of a different presentation of the shepherd's pie. Normally, it's kind of in a little crock. You usually get it, or maybe a different kind of dish. This is a huge dish, and it had the ground beef and vegetables. A little different way of slicing the vegetables: carrots and zucchini and peas.
It was
mashed potatoes, but really good.
Very good, very
mashed
good.
Potatoes.
Very nice. There was the gravy within the shepherd's pie had a very nice flavor to it, so it was very tasty. Doug's absolutely right. The potatoes were very, very nice. They did have some grated cheese baked on the potatoes, so it had like a crispy, very good. It was
a
very
little bit
warm.
of crust to it. Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah, excellent. Great meal. But like you said, now restaurants do give you a lot nowadays, but they probably could have cut it in half and it would plenty.
Absolutely.
Yeah. We both had iced tea. That's our usual drink. The unsweet with lemon. You had the sweet tea. Good. How does that rate with your other sweet teas you've had on our reviews?
Very nice. Very, very nice. It might have been
nothing special though. Looked a little pale. Not as strong.
Not as strong.
Mine wasn't as strong. It was fine, but not strong.
Yeah, fine.
Watered down, maybe a better word.
Absolutely. Doug worded it perfectly. A bit on the water.
Not bad, but maybe they're trying to save money.
Yeah.
Not quite as strong as
Not
you
quite
really
as
get.
strong.
No. But not bad.
Not bad. No.
So we both had that, and then we usually share a dessert. Because usually they give you too much. And being the Cheesecake Factory, we wanted to try their cheesecake. And again, they bring out a cheesecake menu, which is about what, 2 or 3 pages?
2 or 3 pages. Yes, there was quite a few pages, and we were thinking, what are we going to order? Which one we have? We ordered a Reese's. It was really good. It was a chocolate, like a Reese's.
Reese's peanut butter cup, Butterfinger candy bar.
Yes. It was,
and like a peanut butter filling on top,
good.
Cream. Really good.
Really good.
And whipped cream.
Very nice.
And again, a large portion, so plenty for 2.
Oh yeah, plenty.
I don't think we even finished it.
No, we were. I know we were both on the full side after our
it's rich,
dinner.
so
very rich.
You could even have half of that.
Oh yeah,
for 2.
Easily. And it was very, very good. I actually do. I love peanut butter. I love chocolate.
Yep.
So I love that type. And it was very good.
Yeah, excellent.
Very nice.
And so we enjoyed that. But let's get to the pricing now, because that's what a lot of people like to know.
Yes.
The shepherd's pie, not unreasonably priced. I think it was around $19, which is okay. The prices on the menu are reasonable.
Yeah, reasonable.
Between, let's say, 16 and, depending if you get steak or not, that's up around close to 30.
Absolutely, yes.
So it's not exactly a diner style.
No.
It's a little more than that.
Yes.
You wouldn't say high end, but it's not cheap.
Absolutely. And the iced tea.
Oh, we have to talk about that,
yeah, that was a bit expensive.
That's the most expensive iced tea that I've had in any restaurant down here ever.
Yeah, that was...
Usually it's maybe $2.50, $3, which is expected.
Absolutely.
$4.95. Little high. Cheesecake Factory, especially for the watered down iced tea.
Yes, that was a little bit...
So $10 for the 2 of us for 2 iced tea. We got refilled, but big deal.
Yeah, it was a bit pricey.
I would say lower your price on the drinks.
Absolutely.
But you're making it on the alcoholic beverages, but the iced tea a little high.
A little bit high. Absolutely. So we both agreed where it was good iced tea, but a little bit on
good, not great, definitely not worth that price. So just a little constructive criticism of Cheesecake Factory.
Yes.
Our waiter, Patrick, I believe was his name. Excellent, very attentive.
Very nice, very attentive, very engaging with us.
Checked on us at least 3 or 4 times.
3 or 4 times. It wasn't one of those situations, where you go to a restaurant, you sit down, you order. Where's my server?
Yeah.
Oh, are they here?
And a crowded night too.
Yeah,
it was pretty crowded.
He kept coming back, which was
so
nice.
Good job by our server, Patrick.
Very good.
And I thought that was good. So yeah, really the only criticism I would have would be the iced tea prices.
Iced tea. I agree.
But we'll give our we got to tell them where it is again. I know you said the mall, but it's inside the mall.
Inside the
Sarasota.
Mall. Yes, so it's inside the mall.
UTC Mall.
UTC Mall. It is the section of the mall where all the restaurant, like Restaurant Row, here at UTC.
Main entrance.
The main entrance. So it is Dillard's is probably not too far away, and Saks Fifth Avenue. It's actually very close to Saks Fifth Avenue.
Again, if you're not familiar with the area, you're driving here, if you live in Florida or visiting, it's I-75 and it's the University Parkway exit.
Yes.
Off I-75, you'll see the mall right there.
Absolutely.
So,
yes.
But okay, we'll give our final assessment.
Yes.
Mostly that, except for the iced tea, we give that. Prices.
Yes.
But otherwise, thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
That's it. There we go. But that's it. Cheesecake Factory, and soon we'll look forward to where we're going next. We don't know yet.
We don't know.
We didn't decide tonight.
We haven't decided. So we're the rambling restaurateurs.
That's it.
Yes.
That's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you again on the town.